So I noticed, three big things in version 4 that definitely impact, how we can help customers.
Mm.
The first one is what they call customized approach. So in version 4, you're allowed to do something that is not by the standard, as long as you can show that it's equal or better than what PCI standard asks you to do, right? For example, if you want to mask data instead of encrypted, which means it's completely irreversible, that's a stronger, thing to do. Or if you want to enforce more fine-grained access controls, leveraging new authorization models, of course, you will be able to do that. So that's an important thing. The second thing that I notice is that there is more stringent access control and encryption mechanisms, right? Most important part is that now you have to encrypt the credit card number on its own, right? So it's not enough to encrypt everything. You still need to encrypt everything, but the credit card number needs to be encrypted on its own. So that's super important because that's very tough on, older technology. So that's one. And two, you have to make sure that you authenticate every user with the individual ID. You have to identify, you have to manage the access to credit card information. And that becomes very difficult, especially when you talk about databases, because databases usually work with generic accounts, system accounts, application accounts, service accounts. They usually don't have individual accounts for users. And that is something that is now required.